Hello friends, in this video, I intend to teach you how to register with the Axiory Broker. You enter the Forex Brokers section, select the Axiory Broker, and finally click on Go to Website. You enter the Axiory website, click on Sign Up, and in the Registration section, you enter your first and last name, along with your email address. Next, for your phone number and password, I recommend using a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, as you can see. Below, if you have an invitation code, you can check this box and enter the code. And if you don't have an invitation code, you can get one through our support team. After entering your information, you confirm the website's terms by checking the box. And finally, you click on Start Trading. And if you don't have an invitation code, you can get one from our support team. And after entering your information, you confirm the website's terms by checking the box. And finally, you click on Start Trading. In the next step, you choose whether you want a demo account or a live account. We will select live, so we click on Go to Live. And then in the next section, we choose our platform, which is MT4. And finally, we click on Continue. Choose Demo or Live account. Select MT4 platform, click Continue. Select Standard account. Click Continue. Select MT4. Click Continue. Choose Standard account. Click Continue. Choose Account Leverage. Select Highest if desired. Click Continue. In the next step, we select the account type, which we will select Standard, and finally click Continue. In the next step, you choose the leverage for your account. If you want the highest leverage to be applied automatically to your account, you select that option and then click on Continue. In the next step, you choose the currency you want to work with. Click on Continue. And you will see the information from your account. And finally, you click on Start Trading. In the next section, you enter your personal information. Next, provide your full address details, answer financial questions, and optionally add tax ID. You enter your complete address, including country, city, region, postal code, and so on. Answer financial questions, optionally. Enter tax ID, provide account settings info, choose account type, citizenship, political activities, then submit. In the next section, you will enter information about your account. For settings such as whether you want a savings account, a tax account, etc. And in the next section, you will select the account type. Are you a US citizen or not? Do you have any political activities or not? And finally, you click on the Submit button to complete the form. And then you will enter your account dashboard. But friends, please note that to work with the Axiory website, you need to upload documents like your ID card, passport, and so on. Good luck.